Wait a minute.
Welcome back, guys. Now you have watched a very successful demo of Vernier Caliper that we have developed using the MakerBuddy IoT Kit, and this is a very easy project with the help of MakerBuddy that we have developed. We have only used the HC-SR04 to measure the distance, and with the help of MakerBuddy web app, we have used the custom LCD message, and we have used the wildcard for distance to display the distance. And currently we are measuring the diameter of the tape, and here is the scale that we have used to measure the things in the real time, and it's working perfectly. So guys, with the help of MakerBuddy IoT Kit, we have just used the connector based HC-SR04 sensor, and without any coding we have just used the wildcard to display the content on the LCD in the real time without any complex coding. So guys, in the next part we will cover up how we use the custom message on the how we display the custom message on the LCD, as well as how we use the wildcard to display the HC-SR04 distance on the LCD without any coding. Welcome back, guys, and in this part I will guide you how we will set the custom message using the custom wildcard to display the HC-SR04 distance on the LCD. So guys, let's get started with that. So here I'm going to connect the device, and here we have the LCD display card, and we have the two options, default and the custom. And if we have a default option, then it will show us a different variables on the screen like LDR, soil moisture, temperature, and humidity. But if I select the custom, then we can display any custom message like distance measure, and here we will use the wildcard with the curly braces. If you guys will see there, we have different wildcards for different sensors, like for the temperature and the humidity we have these wildcards. For DS18B20 we have this wildcard for the light, gas, soil, distance, and we are going to use this distance wildcard to display on our LCD. So right now, after updating the LCD, it's showing the distance measure 99, and when it will get the reading from the HC-SR04, it will display in a real time, as you already watched in the live demo, that how it's displaying the real-time values on the LCD screen. So guys, see you in another interactive DIY project. Have a good day. Bye bye.